there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have a Twisted Easel Calendar Card as an alternative to the All the Best December 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Let's get started. I cut a piece of balmy blue cardstock 4 1/4 inches by 9 3/4 inches. Then I scored the long side at 5 1/2 inches. On the section that forms a 4 1/4 inch square, score diagonally from the lower left to the upper right. I trimmed one of the card fronts from the kit to 4 1/4 inches by 5 1/2 inches. And fold and burnish as shown. Add adhesive to the bottom triangle only, then adhere the pattern piece on top. Isn't that twist cool? Next, I stamped the dandelion fluff image in Versamark ink all over the pattern paper, added clear embossing powder, and heat set. It's hard to see the shiny images on camera, but in real life, it's gorgeous. I attached my mini calendar, then popped one of the die kits from the kit up on dimensionals. I used pieces of removable labeling tape to mask off the stamp. Sorry this bit is off camera, but I covered up the bottom words, then inked with Pebbled Paths ink. Remove the tape and stamp. I cleaned the stamp off camera, then taped over the top and bottom words, inked and stamped again. Clean the stamp again, taped over the top 2 rows, inked, and stamped the last word. Now the greeting fits on the banner. I applied dimensionals on the back and adhered as my stopper. I added a few more die-cut flowers from the kit. I used my Take Your Pick tool to add blue gems from the kit to the front of the card. One more flower and more gems. And there you have it, a Twisted Easel calendar card that fits in a standard envelope. For written instructions, visit my blog at. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!